Okay, hello everyone. It's been quite a while since my last video, but today it is May 1st, a cloudy spring day in May 1st, but today is May 1st, meaning it is also the first day of the David Suzuki Foundation 30-30 Nature Challenge. For 30 days in May, you have to spend at least 30 minutes outside each day, and if you stick to that, then you should see good health benefits and mental health benefits, and it should be all around good. And since I am doing that, this is my third year in a row that I will be doing this. This year I decided that I would video document my days outside. Hopefully do that most of the days, if not every day. So here is day one. It is May 1st, 2016, and it is day one of the David Suzuki 30-30 Nature Challenge. Okay, so here we are again. This garden here, there's not much to it right now. Yeah, it's May 1st, temperatures are only starting to get warm. So not much plant growth yet, but there's a bit. As the summer progresses, more plants will be planted here. And the butterflies, the monarch butterflies, I always see a lot of them here in the summer. Quite a few bees too. But I really, as you know from previous videos, I really like the monarch butterfly. Wow, there are a lot of mayflies around right now. But as you probably know from previous videos, I really like the monarch butterfly, so I see a lot in this garden here in the summer. I've taken a lot of nice pictures of monarchs here. So it'll be nice when the warm weather comes, and well, you can expect some videos of monarchs once the monarchs get here. They're making their way north, but in this part, they don't usually get here till late June, early July. And then once they're here, they'll be here till probably October. Anyway, I don't think I'll walk too far today. I have some things planned for later today, so I don't have that much time. But maybe I'll walk to the end of the boardwalk and then head back home. Okay, so here we are at the end of the boardwalk, so I think I will start to walk back home now, and it should be 30 minutes by the time I get back home. Again, most days I would walk farther, but I have stuff to do later on today, so I can't walk far today, but I'll probably walk farther tomorrow, provided the weather's nice. And I'll probably walk farther other days, maybe walk different locations. And some days I might not walk at all, but I'm hoping to video log most days, if not every day. And right here we have the trailer park. It's empty right now because it's not open. This opens the May long weekend and remains open until Thanksgiving weekend. And after it opens, you hardly ever see a vacant campsite. Some people stay here all summer. I suppose it could be a nice summer home. Live down right near the lake for the summer. Then it gets quite warm here in the summer. It's kind of chilly right now. Just probably around 10 degrees Celsius, maybe a little warmer. But anyway, yeah, heading back home now. Okay, so I mentioned the mayflies earlier, but I wasn't sure if you could see them. But just in case you couldn't, here's an idea of how many flies there are. As you can see, there's flies all along here. And this is only a small fraction of how many flies there actually are. Okay, and here we are back home. It's been 30 minutes. I left at 4:52. It's now 5:22, so it's been pretty well 30 minutes exactly. But right before I go inside, there's something I want to check. Oh yeah, and look at that, those two ducks are still here. Yeah, there's a male duck and a female duck there. They've been hanging around our yard quite a bit recently. And there they still are. So, they might make a nest around here sometime soon, maybe. And if so, maybe we'll see some ducklings. Because these ducks have been hanging around our yard quite a bit in the past few weeks. Past week or two. Anyway, that concludes day 1 of the 30-30 challenge. I was actually thinking today that I might actually just sit outside and read a book because it was raining, but the rain let up, so I thought, hey, why not go for a walk? Anyway, that's it for today, so maybe I'll see you tomorrow, and don't forget to be awesome.